Hey guys, welcome back. So let's go ahead and we'll see how we can delete an item. So by the end of the video, we should create an endpoint which should take an ID and then check if the user who's trying to delete it is the one who created it, and then it deletes it from the DB. So to do that, we are going to do something that's similar to the get. So I'm actually going to copy this over here. So down here, I'm just going to duplicate this, and now we are going to be doing a delete request. So we're going to do a delete, and then we expect the user to give us an ID. We want the user to be authenticated. So we'll just have this decorator. Then we are going to rename this to delete bookmark. So we'll check who the user is. Then we're going to first try to check if the user is the one who authored it or who owns it. So if they are not the ones, then we are going to tell them, hey, we didn't find that. So otherwise, we want to delete it. So now we can delete it using the DB. So we can do db.session.delete. So we're going to be deleting the bookmark. So we need to confirm that by doing db.session.commit. So now that we finished deleting, we need to send back a response. Now for the delete, we can send back a message like, hey, we deleted something. But a lot of the times you're going to see that a lot of the times this is going to be implemented by sending a no content status. So here we can just return for the content, we just leave it empty, but then we send back a no content. So we can do http 204 no content like this. So now if we go here in our terminal and we make a delete request, so if we do a delete, you can see that it was deleted and we get a no content. If we try to fetch it again, you can see that it was not found. And if we make a get request to all of them, so now we expect all of them to be 10 and not 20. To all of them, down here we have 10. That means it was deleted from the DB. So thanks guys for watching. If this one helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll talk to you later.